Welcome to our TechSphere podcast, All Things Tech. Today, we're going to be diving deep into the future of AI in Microsoft Windows, transforming productivity, security, and performance. It's a topic that has everyone buzzing with excitement and anticipation, so thanks for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, and share with friends.
Yeah, it's not just hype. We're not just talking about minor tweaks here. What's exciting is that AI is going to be woven into the very fabric of Windows. It's going to completely change how we experience our PCs.
Okay, so paint me a picture. What does this new Windows reality look like? What are we talking about here?
Imagine this, you're working on a huge project. Your PC, powered by AI, is not just sitting there waiting for your commands. It's actively learning your work habits. It's anticipating your needs, and even suggesting your next steps, like pulling up relevant articles or templates you might need.
So it's like having a super intelligent assistant, one who knows exactly what you need before you even ask.
Exactly. And it's about taking all those tedious tasks off your plate. Think summarizing lengthy reports or even scheduling meetings across multiple time zones, letting AI handle them in the background so you can focus on the big picture.
Okay, that sounds amazing, especially the part about meetings. But how does AI actually make my computer faster? I mean, is it some kind of magic?
Not magic, but pretty close. Let's say you're editing a video, something that takes a lot of processing power. AI can step in and dynamically allocate resources, giving more power to your video editing software while temporarily scaling back less important background processes.
Oh, so it's like a conductor leading an orchestra, making sure everything works together in perfect harmony.
Precisely. Windows will be able to learn your usage patterns and manage resources like memory and CPU usage intelligently. It's all about optimization. And with future versions like Windows 12, we might even see predictive AI that adjusts settings on the fly, optimizing for gaming, complex software, or even video conferencing.
Okay, that's seriously impressive. But what about security? How does AI fit into that equation?
Security is a huge area where AI is going to make a massive difference. Think of it this way. Instead of reacting to threats after they've already happened, AI will be on constant lookout, using machine learning to detect anomalies and flag potential threats in real time.
So no more waiting for virus definitions to update. My PC will be able to identify even brand new threats as they pop up.
Exactly. Windows Defender will evolve from a traditional antivirus program into an intelligent system that can spot phishing attempts, malware, and suspicious activities as they happen. It's like having a personal security detail for your PC.
Okay, that makes sense. But that brings up another question. Everyone talks about how AI needs data to work. So what about privacy? Will Windows be collecting all sorts of information about me?
That's a valid concern, and Microsoft is aware of it. The goal is to provide you with better control over your data. Imagine Windows suggesting ways to secure your digital footprint, like automatically cleaning up old cookies, reviewing app permissions, or even helping you generate strong passwords.
Oh, okay. So AI will actually help me protect my privacy. It sounds like it's working on all fronts: security, performance, and even taking care of all those little tasks that bog us all down.
Exactly. Think about getting an email asking for a meeting summary. In the future, AI could generate a well-organized report in seconds, saving you a ton of time.
Okay, that would be a lifesaver. So what other tasks could AI potentially automate for us?
Oh, the possibilities are huge. We're talking about automating things like data entry, file sorting, and all those repetitive administrative tasks that eat up your time. Imagine what you could do with all that extra time.
Yeah. It feels like AI is becoming this silent partner, working behind the scenes to make everything smoother and more efficient. And this brings up another interesting aspect: collaboration. How will AI change the way we work together, especially in today's world of remote work and global teams?
Think about a virtual meeting, where AI assistants are not only transcribing everything in real time, but also offering summaries and even translating languages on the fly.
Wow, that would be incredible. Especially for global teams dealing with language barriers. It would make collaboration so much smoother.
Absolutely. And think about how AI can be integrated into tools like Microsoft Teams, with features like automatic caption generation, real-time translation, and even suggestions for the best file sharing methods or communication tools.
Okay, so AI isn't just about individual productivity, it's about making teams more efficient and collaborative.
Exactly. It's about understanding team dynamics and facilitating smoother communication and decision-making.
This is all incredibly exciting. But what about the fun stuff? How will AI impact gaming and entertainment on Windows?
Get ready for even more immersive experiences. AI-powered upscaling could dramatically improve game graphics, bringing those visuals to life even on less powerful PCs.
So even my older PC could run the latest games with amazing graphics. That's a game changer.
And it's not just about visuals. AI could personalize the gaming experience, adjusting the difficulty level to match your skills, or even generating new challenges tailored to your preferences.
So it's like having a game that evolves with you, always pushing you to improve.
Exactly. And imagine having an AI-powered game companion that learns your playstyle and offers tips, strategies, or even just friendly competition. The possibilities are endless.
This is mind-blowing. It sounds like AI will touch every aspect of how we use Windows, from work to play. Before we move on, I want to touch on one more thing. Customization. How will AI personalize my Windows experience?
This is where AI truly shines. Imagine Windows learning your habits, preferences, and even your aesthetic style to suggest themes, shortcuts, and settings that make your experience truly personalized.
So it's not just about a one-size-fits-all operating system anymore. Windows will adapt to each user, making it feel like it's truly mine.
That's the idea. It's dynamic personalization, where Windows evolves with you, making recommendations and adjustments as your needs change, helping you get the most out of your device.
This has been an incredible journey so far. We've explored how AI will revolutionize productivity, security, performance, and even gaming. But there's more to this story. In part 2 of this deep dive, we'll explore what all of this means for you, the listener. We'll discuss how you can prepare for this AI-powered future, the skills you might need, and how you can start leveraging these advancements to enhance your own digital life. Stay tuned.
We've talked about this incredible future with Windows and AI, where everything is personalized and optimized, but I know what you're thinking. What about me? Where do I fit into all of this?
You read my mind. It's all very exciting, but it also makes you wonder, what skills will we need to thrive in this new world? Will our jobs become obsolete? I mean, what does this AI-powered future actually mean for us?
Those are all valid questions, and the truth is, the AI revolution is already happening. The best thing you can do is to embrace it and be prepared.
Okay, so how do we prepare? Should we all become programmers or AI experts?
Not necessarily. The key is to have a mindset of lifelong learning. AI is a rapidly evolving field, so stay curious. Explore online resources, take some courses, be willing to adapt to new tools and technologies.
That makes sense. It's not about becoming an expert in every aspect of AI, but about being open to learning and evolving along with it.
Exactly. And you can start today. There are tons of AI-powered tools already available. Think about smart assistants, grammar checkers, even those personalized recommendations you get on streaming services. Start experimenting with these tools to get a feel for how AI works and how it can benefit you.
That's a great point. We can start incorporating AI into our lives right now. Even before the big changes come to Windows, it's not some distant future thing anymore.
Right. And start thinking about your own workflows. What tasks do you do that feel repetitive or time-consuming? Could AI help you automate those tasks? Are there areas where AI-powered insights could give you a competitive edge in your work?
So it's about being proactive, looking for opportunities to integrate AI into what we already do.
Yeah.
But let's be honest, some people are worried that AI will take their jobs. Is that a legitimate concern?
It's natural to feel that way. But instead of thinking of it as AI versus humans, think of it as AI working with humans. AI is really good at handling those repetitive, time-consuming tasks. The ones that drain our energy and creativity.
Yeah, so AI is like our tireless assistant, taking care of the boring stuff so we can focus on the things that require human ingenuity and creativity.
Exactly. It frees us up to focus on higher-level thinking, problem-solving, innovation. It's about collaboration, not replacement, Thank you.
Okay, that's reassuring. But what about the skills we need to succeed in this AI-powered world? What should people focus on?
Critical thinking and problem-solving are more important than ever. AI can process tons of data, but it still needs human guidance to interpret that data, to make decisions and solve complex problems.
So even though AI might be doing a lot of the heavy lifting, it's still humans who are steering the ship, so to speak.
Absolutely. And data literacy is becoming crucial. Understanding how data is collected, analyzed, and used, it's essential for working effectively with AI systems.
Right. So those data analysis skills are going to be in high demand. But what about creativity? Will there still be a need for human creativity in a world full of AI?
Absolutely. In fact, I believe AI will amplify human creativity. Think about it. AI can handle the technical aspects of creative tasks, like editing videos, creating graphics, or even composing music, freeing up humans to focus on the conceptual, emotional, and imaginative aspects of their work.
Oh, wow. It's like AI is giving us superpowers. It's not about replacing artists, writers, musicians, or designers. It's about giving them new tools to explore their creativity.
Precisely. AI can become this amazing partner,
Yeah.
helping us push the boundaries of what's possible.
This has been an incredible conversation so far. We've gone from the nuts and bolts of how AI will work in Windows to thinking about the skills we need to thrive in this new world. But what does it all mean in practice? In part 3 of this deep dive, we'll get down to brass tacks. We'll explore practical tips for integrating AI into your daily life, talk about specific tools and resources you can start using today, and explore what all of this means for the future of work. Welcome back to the final part of our deep dive into AI in Microsoft Windows. We've talked about the big picture, the skills, the potential, but now let's get practical. What can our listeners actually do today to start preparing for this AI-powered future?
It's all about taking small steps and building momentum. The first thing I'd recommend is to think about your digital life. What are your pain points? What are those tasks you just dread doing? Once you've identified those areas, you can start looking for AI-powered solutions that can help.
So if I'm constantly struggling to keep my inbox organized, I might look for an AI-powered email assistant that can filter, sort, and prioritize messages for me.
Exactly. Or if you find yourself spending hours scheduling meetings, there are AI-powered tools that can analyze everyone's calendars and suggest the best meeting times. There are even AI tools that can help you write better, create presentations, or even edit videos.
Yeah, it sounds like there's an AI solution for almost everything these days. So where can our listeners go to find these tools?
Well, the Microsoft Store is a great place to start. They have a growing selection of AI-powered apps, and they're curated for Windows, so you know they'll work seamlessly with your system. You can also check out online directories of AI tools, or even just do a Google search for AI tools for your specific need.
Okay, that's helpful. But what about developing the skills we talked about in part 2, like critical thinking and data literacy? Are there resources for that?
Absolutely. There are tons of online courses and tutorials on data analysis, critical thinking, and even AI fundamentals. Platforms like Coursera, ADX, and Khan Academy offer high-quality courses, many of them for free.
So you don't need to go back to school or get a degree in computer science to be prepared for this future.
Not at all. The key is to be curious, willing to learn, and to embrace the opportunities that AI presents. And remember, it's not just about technical skills. Those human skills we talked about, creativity, empathy, problem solving, those will become even more valuable in an AI-powered world.
That's a really important point. It's not about letting AI take over. It's about using AI as a tool to augment our own abilities, to make us more efficient, more creative, and more successful.
Exactly. AI is here to help us reach our full potential. It's up to us to embrace it and use it wisely.
This has been an incredible deep dive. We've explored the exciting possibilities of AI in Microsoft Windows, the challenges and opportunities it presents, and how we can prepare ourselves for this transformative future.
It's a future full of potential, and I'm excited to see how it unfolds.
Thank you to our expert for sharing their insights and expertise with us today, and to our listeners. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this episode with your friends. Until next time, stay curious, keep learning, and embrace the amazing world of AI.